Now what we're going to do is go ahead and buy a fractional share of NVIDIA. So let's navigate back over here to the chart. And what we're going to want to do here is click on the blue button at the bottom that says trade. Now at this point, we're going to need to enable our fractional share investing. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. And how you're going to do that is by clicking on this blue icon next to amount in. So right now it's set for shares. So if I was to try to buy one share of NVIDIA, we would need $900 roughly. And as you can see, our buying power is only $50. But if we tap on this, it now switches us to US dollar value investing, and we can invest in 1 cent increments with the minimum amount being $5. So if you are buying fractional shares, you have to do a $5 minimum. But beyond that, if you wanted to do $5 and 1 penny, it is going to let you do that as long as you have $5 minimum. What we're going to do here is actually invest $25 into fractional shares of NVIDIA. And we talked about order types earlier. If you wanted to perhaps do a limit order or some of these other orders here, you could change that. So if you were like, hey, I want to buy NVIDIA at $900 flat, and if the order is not cheaper than $900 or at $900, the order won't fill. But for this case, we're going to use a market order. We're looking to buy at the market price $25 of fractional shares of NVIDIA, and that's estimated to be 0.02775 shares. When you're ready to place your order, we're going to click on the buy button at the bottom, and then there is an order confirmation here. So at this point, you're going to look this over and make sure that everything looks good to you. We can see there is a $0 transaction fee, so we're not paying any transactions or commissions over to Webull. And we're going to click on the green confirm button to go ahead and place the order.